Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR ZIP packing or unpacking app on your Huawei MatePad SE. To do this you'll need to open App Gallery. Here try to find RAR app, it's called RAR. Now select it, it should show right there and we can install it. Allow and then install. Open it when it's ready, and from here we need to also give all file access for the app and go back. Now you can start using this archiving app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.